So behind me there's a museum that it was on the plans to be made, but it never made. So the owner had a very beautiful 450 SL, which I remember in very good condition. I'm gonna put a photo right here. So I'm gonna explore and see what's left from the car. As far as I know, it's in a very bad condition, but I found the place in Google Maps. Thanks for a friend that's sending me the location. So let's explore it. I'm not sure we're gonna find an entrance from here. Otherwise, I will go from the road down below. But I found this path a lot easier to do. Okay, we are still walking, but I can't see the car from here. So I suppose it must be somewhere down there. And we got some blood during the search. I hit somewhere, I don't know where. Okay, we are... Άμα πήγαμε από λάθος μεριά πειράζει, το δούμε. And then we found the car and we have to move all the way from here. Thanks Michalis. Sorry Michalis. And we're heading over there. Είναι πολλά λεφτά. We are heading into the jungle. Πάμε από εδώ. Ναι. Okay. So guys, we're in the abandoned 450 SL. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna put a photo how this car was when I remember it. Still has the engine. Okay, they didn't left anything from the car. Oh. Okay, this one can be saved if you see the damage that they have made to the car. Speakers, and I remember this one had speakers, had a beautiful steering wheel, and the door is crushed. Okay, I don't want to know what's in there, but it's a 450. And there's only one glass left on brake. Let me move in the back. So here is what is left from the car. Unbelievable that they dumped the car here. Πώς το φέρανε ρε φίλε εδώ πάνω? Έχει δρόμο και το φέρανε.
Παλιά πριν γίνει έτσι όλο το μέρος. Εδώ είναι η υπογραφή.
Υπογραφή. And that's the signature of the artist. Does the hood pop up? No, it's too rusty. Jesus, it's stuck from the gears. Jesus Christ, in the middle of nowhere. And that's the tires. And they took the wheels. And it has, as you can see, the dash 190,000 kilometers. Okay, this car is gone, it's too far gone, there's nothing to save here. And also had it somewhere. We can't see nothing from here. Jesus. Oh boy, that's a shame. That's a shame. Του πήραν και τα δισκόφρενα, όχι το έχει πάνω,
Από εκεί νομίζω τα έχουν πάρει.
Και από εδώ τι σπάσαμε. Φέρετε το μοτέρ από εδώ. Εκεί φαίνεται καλά. Και έχουν κλέψει και το ψυγείο, Το κλέψανε, ναι, το ψυγείο δεν είναι μέσα. Είναι τα κολάρα ανοιχτά. Εκεί είναι. Ναι. Και το κολάρο που έχει ανοιχτά τι λείπει, κάτι λείπει. The only good thing is that the motor is still inside, the V8. We didn't touch the hood, we leave it as it is. Because it's a shame. But it's really bad how this car ended. Anyway, that's for today's video. Bye bye beautiful SL, rest in peace, pieces maybe.